Hey, there's Darren. 17 minutes dream. I'm sitting here at Lake Las Vegas, my favorite place to write. I got my computer. I just re-released on my blog an article yesterday about 17 minutes to your dream, and this is my third start on this. I got no excuses. Yeah. So I'm sitting here and about to start engaging writing again. I did a great session on Sunday. I got excited. I'm glad to be here, but what dream do you need to re-engage in? Do you need to start again? Get excited about, start making some progress? Man, I don't know what stopped me, but I tried twice. This is number 3, and hopefully the third time's a charm. So what place do you need to go to where maybe you'll get excited again? I'm not too excited about these bugs who are flying all around me. I guess you can't see that. Hey, Mark Brown and Greg. So here I am sitting down to work on the script. Part 3, take 3. I'm on page 61, so I'm going to keep doing some short lives to keep people updated. A normal script's about 120 pages, so if you see me or send me a post, ask me, hey, are you sticking with it this time? I love guilt trips when it's for my own good. So that's it for now. Back to writing. See ya.